Do you know many small businesses where you live?
Absolutely, I do. There are myriad small commercial enterprises in my residential area: grocery shops, hairdressers, barbers, quaint cinemas, charming bookstores, workshops, delightful tea rooms, cozy cafes, fancy restaurants, and charming bakeries, to name a few. These insignificant businesses play a significant role in our community, providing us with immense convenience, comfort, safety, and the diverse flavors of this mundane world we live in, either delightful or bittersweet, as if it is a dynamic picture of the vicissitudes of life. As the old saying goes, small is beautiful, and these enterprises add a special touch to our daily lives.
Contact Dr. Annan in England.